Your smartwatch knows your heart rate. Your phone knows exactly where you are. Your fitness app tracks how often you exercise. Your health application knows how often you sleep. Now, individually, this may seem very harmless, but what happens when they start talking to each other? That is so much data being reviewed. And the most important thing is that we don't even think about all these things when we give this app the allow access. I'm Osla, and this is Tech as It Is, where we talk about AI, data, products, and the systems behind our everyday technology. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Now, think about the last time you connected your health app to your smartwatch. Maybe you want to track how often you sleep, or drink water, or even how often you exercise, even your heart rate, right? Anyone. Now, you give the application access, and then your health app begins to send your data. And then you get this cute little dashboard showing the numbers and metrics. That's all you see, your health data in one place, and you can see how long you drink water, how often you sit down, how often you go for a walk. It's really cute and all of that, but there's more to it. That screen, data has moved, databases, APIs, and that's even where these things get interesting. Sleep data might not necessarily be the most important information, but think about what this can mean when they are combined together. Let's say we add your heart rate to it, your location, your medical history. We are no longer looking at this person slept for 7 hours. We are not looking at patterns. Your location has changed, your heart rate has dropped. All these things individually, they might seem a little bit insignificant, but when they are together, they tell a much bigger story. The most important thing to note about modern data systems, because data becomes more powerful when it is connected. If you're building a health product, it's very easy to just collect data. I mean, technology has made it increasingly easy to get data. But the harder question is, do we need this data? Because for every data you collect, you have to keep it. You have to decide how long it stays. You have to take responsibility for it. You have to also track it and make sure that it is not leaked and it is safe. You have to decide who can access it. You have to also decide what this data can become when it is combined with something else. And that changes things about product management, because it is no longer about building a feature. It's also about deciding how much information your system should know about a person. And that is a big responsibility. When next an application asks for access, don't just tap because it is easy. You have to be very intentional and conscious about it. Privacy is much more than just hiding your data. It's also about knowing where your data is. It is about understanding where your data goes and what can be done with it is the most important part I want you to remember. It's not just about giving out one individual information. It's about what the system can do when it is connected. When systems are connected, it tells a much larger picture about you. Your health app collecting your sleep rate, your heart rate, and your phone that knows your location. That is why health data privacy really matters. Not because technology is bad, but because the more our systems get connected, the more powerful our data is. The next time you use a health application, don't just look at the feature, try to look behind it. Ask what data is being collected, why, and where does it go? Because the technology we use every day is becoming connected, and understanding those connections helps us understand a little more what technology knows about us and why. That is why you are here on Tech as It Is, where we let you in on the systems behind our everyday technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious.